to a vlog. Okay, so today is very special because today is November the 14th and it's my daughter's 18th birthday. And the reason why I decided to turn on my vlogging camera is because I wanted to vlog her 18th birthday. Well, today I'm gonna get her balloons at Party City. I ordered them online, and then I'm gonna get her little bundt cake. And then Saturday she's going out with her friends. So I just want to vlog the whole thing. So I'm starting out with today, and I'm whispering because I did let her stay home today, y'all. So today's my daughter's birthday. So please make sure y'all wish her a happy 18th birthday. She is my last youngest child, and yes, after her, all my kids will be grown, 29, 24, and 18, y'all. So I'm going to bring y'all along. I do have to work, but I have a short shift today. After I get off of work, I'll be going to Party City. So yes, y'all, I'm excited. Hey, happy birthday, Jemiah. Hey, y'all. I'm off of work. It's 5 o'clock, y'all, and I made it. I did pick up her cake this morning. I'm not doing a big cake only because we just don't need a big cake. So I did get a little small cake from Bundt Cake. Let me see if I can put y'all right here. So here's her bundt cake. And of course, I got her some stuff from Sephora. Now I gotta pick up her balloons, y'all. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me to get her balloons. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, her balloons can fit in here with no problem. So let's go on over to Party City. I'm trying to think, was it somewhere else I had to go? I think it was just Party City. So let's go on over to Party City. Mwah. Her balloons. Oh shit. Her balloons are so cute. Oh. Oh, look at her balloons. Oh god. Ugh. Whew, I got the balloons. Whew. So now I get to go home. It's cold, y'all. They're so cute. So I'll see you when I get home. Hey, y'all. It's the next day. About to go to the new Sephora. It's in details once I get there. But it's a new Sephora. Dark early, y'all. It's getting dark too early. Where my mic at? It's getting dark too early. What time is it? It's 5:51. It said we'll get there at 6:30. I'll see y'all when we get there. Good job.
vlog, say hi.
Hey vlog,
Hey,
what's up?
Oh, the Miss Tamika takeover. Nice to meet y'all.
Y'all have a good night.
You too. Whew. I wanted to show y'all this cute little Sephora bag that I got. Isn't she cute, the sweater bag? With the Sephora, I only got 2 things. I got this Sephora face mask. I got sold out of this for months, y'all. And I found it here, the fresh lip scrub, because I like the old-fashioned sugar scrub. I know you can make your own, but why make your own when you can buy it, you know? I'm on the hunt for the perfect vanilla scent. So I got this Ellis Brooklyn. Did I get the vanilla? Yeah. Vanilla skin. There's so much stuff on, so I'm hoping you can still smell it. On my way home, hopefully tomorrow I can film my daughter's birthday, because this is supposed to be a birthday vlog, because my daughter turned 18, but she's a mini me, which means she has a bad attitude. And it depends on her mood. Now, I used to be like that when I was little, but I'm not like that no more. And I apologize to anyone if I was mean to y'all when I was little, because whoo, child. If y'all got a teenage daughter, y'all know. So the new Sephora location, y'all, is in the collections. I can share where the new Sephora is at. It's in the collections. In Forsyth or what? Forsyth? I went here a long time ago, back when I took my daughter to Sweet and Sassy, where they had the pink limo. Like, that was a thing for little kids back then. Now little girls don't even care about that anymore. Matter of fact, Auntie, this is where Bria and Jemiah went. They got a lot of restaurants. They got Red Robin, Carrabba's. I'm going to have to end this vlog because my battery is about to die. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be doing something fun. I don't know what's on the agenda for tomorrow. I would like to go roller skating, but I'll be the only one roller skating. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
I'm Aaliyah. I'm Mila.
These are Jemiah friends. Happy birthday, Jemiah! All right, y'all have fun. Bye. The fancy little restaurant. She's her mother's child. She cute.